Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and look at this. It's new packaging for the IPSY bag. This is different than usual. Usually it's pink, but it's a metallic pink, and this time it's in a pastel pink envelope, but it says IPSY on it, and it says Discover Yourself. It's still pretty. I like the metallic a little better myself, but hey, I think I might like it a little better too because you can reuse it easier. This one, I mean, you can still reuse, but it has IPSY on it. OMG. I love it already. So if you guys aren't familiar with IPSY, holy cow, you get a new bag every month. I love it. And look, it's got like little sequins on it. So you get a new makeup bag every month and you get 5 sample size products, and it's $10. This has a little bee on it for Betty Boop. Oh my goodness. And it says Betty Boop IPSY on the inside, and it's like a black satin. And then, holy cow, I love it. It's like metallic, her face. So cute. The first thing I see is Drawn to You eyeliner, Betty Boop for IPSY. Oh, I need some liquid eyeliner. I don't need it. I got some last month, but oh my gosh, I love it. Yes, please. And I think that this one might have Betty Boop IPSY Drawn to You eyeliner, introducing our limited edition collection in partnership with iconic beauty muse Betty Boop. This inky black eyeliner has a precise fine tip for creating easy cat eyes, sharp wings, and more. Plus, it's highly pigmented, so a little goes a long way. Draw a line along your upper lash line, thickening it as you reach the outer corner of your eye, then wing it up and out. How nice. Oh, and it dries quickly. Oh my goodness. And it's not smudging. This is, it's smudging a tiny bit. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a tiny bit smudgy. And I guess if I push really hard, but oh my gosh. That's like rubbing your eye really hard. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. And then this also looks like something Betty Boop, maybe. It says Butanique Beauty Butter Lip and Cheek Balm in Peach Blush. This brand is all about the good stuff. Oh, so it's not Betty Boop. And none of the bad. Butanique Beauty creates plant-based products that naturally nourish, protect, and strengthen your skin. This multitasking creamy balm delivers a flush of radiant peach to cheeks or lips. And it says tip, apply to cheeks, lips, or eyelids using your fingertips. To build more intensity, use a blush brush and sweep on color. Well, I am having a time trying to open this thing. And if you can hear, my dogs are down there chewing on the IPSY bag. Not the bag, but the envelope. Not chewing on it, but kind of playing with it. Ooh. So it's a very light, minimal color. I actually need some lip balm on right now. I had lipstick on, but I didn't wear the long-lasting one. Peach is not usually a color that I go for, but this is light enough that I think it's fine. It's just a tint of color. Next I have an olive oil face mask for all skin types, deep cleansing. And it says Aphrodite Skincare uses ingredients that are natural, effective, and feel good on your skin. Made with olive oil that's rich in vitamins A and E, this mask helps hydrate, nourish, and protect your skin. Plus, its antibacterial properties help fight acne. Smooth a quarter-sized dollop of this mask all over your skin. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse with warm water. And since it's good with acne, I might take this to my daughter and let her try it. Not that she has bad acne, but she has it. She's young, so she gets it more than I do, which I still get it though, but I think I'll take that to her. This is Facial Radiance Pads. Help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Ooh, let's see what this says about it. For effective yet approachable skincare solutions, look no further than First Aid Beauty. Made of glycolic and lactic acid, cucumber, and Indian gooseberry. These pads safely and effectively exfoliate, tone, and brighten your skin. You'll get glowing in no time at all. Start with a freshly cleaned face and wipe a pad across your face, neck, and chest. Use once or twice daily. Well, that's kind of neat. Maybe I'll use this after I clean my face at night. There's 10 pads. It doesn't really have a scent, but nice. Yeah, I will use that. And next is CC Cream. This is IT Cosmetics. I use this already. Your skin, but better. This IT Cosmetics combines problem-solving products with cutting-edge technology. This healthy, buildable CC Cream protects with SPF 50, evens out your complexion, and helps calm redness with collagen, hyaluronic acid, and vitamins. It says this cream is very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. Place a pea-sized dot on your skin and blend it out with a damp beauty sponge. And add more if needed. It's easily buildable. So I love this stuff. I use it all the time, and it's in the color medium, which is perfect for me. So yay, hooray. And I think that's everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So that is everything in my box. Don't forget, the choice is yours. It's time to get personalized on October 23rd. You get to choose one or more of your glam bag items, and then using the IPSY Match technology, we'll build the rest of your bag to complement your choice. I don't do that, but I mean, maybe I should, but I have been happy with what I've gotten. I'm happy with all of it. The only thing is I will give this to my daughter just because I think that she'll get more use out of it than I would. But I love this month's packaging, and I love what I got. This is beautiful, and I love this. I'm really liking this blush too. And yeah, so it's great. $10, guys. Hope you try it. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.